Let's see how you did in this exercise. So let's see, maybe Beatriz can help me with number 1. Beatriz, what did you get for number 1? Do you remember?
The blue car is as fast as the red car.
Very good. Good job. Esmeralda, do you want to try number 2, please?
Peter is not as tall as Fred.
Good job, Esmeralda. Good job. All right. Let's go with Esther. Esther, do number 3 for me.
The violin, the pronunciation is correct.
Yeah,
But-
violin. Violin is correct.
Okay. All right. The violin is not as long as the cello.
Cello. Yeah, cello. Very good. Very good. Very good, Esther. Has lady, help me with number 4, please.
This copy is as bad as the other one.
Very good. Very good. As bad as. Very good. Good job, as lady. I'm going to go to Joan. Joan, help me with number 5, please.
Oliver is as optimistic as Peter.
Very good. As optimistic as Peter is correct. Good job, Joan. I'm going to ask Isabel to help me with number 6, please. Isabel, can you hear me? Maybe you can help me with number 6. Okay, I'll do number 6. I'll do number 6. Today, it's not as windy as yesterday. So today there's more wind. All right, let's go to number 7. Jose, try number 7 for me, please.
One moment.
Sure, Jose, take your time, my man. Take your time.
The tomato soup was as delicious as the mushroom soup.
Very good. The tomato soup was as delicious. ¿Qué estamos diciendo ahí? Que ambas eran igual de deliciosas, right? Igual. All right, good job, good job. Kessia, help me with number 8, please.
Grapefruit juice is not as sweet as limonada.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Good job, Kessia. Good job. All right. Beatriz, help me with number 9, please.
Okay. Nick is as brave as Kevin.
Very good. So they're both the same, right? Equally brave. Very good. All right. And number 10, Esmeralda, please.
Silver is as gold. Is not as gold as heavy.
Okay, very close. All right, so silver is not as heavy as gold.
Yeah, as gold.
Very good. Entonces, ¿qué está diciendo ahí? Que la plata no es tan pesada como el oro, right? All right, there you go. Let's check these out. Let's see how we did. And we got 9 out of 10. Where? Peter is not as tall as Fred. Is not as tall as Fred. I added 1. That's my fault. Puse un más verbo to be the is.
Cierto.
Terrible. Voy a